Okay. Oh no! The volcano's erupting! Ah! The city's all gonna perish in flames! Put some more. Put some more on top of that baking soda. Oh. Give me the cup. I did it again! Oh no, look at the lava. Look at the lava, Bryce. Oh my God, look at all that lava. Ah!
More.
What's going? Oh my God, the people!
There's no people.
Yeah, the people fell over.
Where?
Ah, it's burning my fingers!
Where?
These people. Oh, that's a house. The people in the house! Oh my God, I hope they got out.
Nope. It's too late to get out. I wonder what it feels like.
It's gonna burn! Ah!